Welcome to JH. Vidme.io is currently being hyped as the next-generation, creator-powered media platform. It is supposedly a place where content spreads faster than a viral rash, and audiences play an active role in the magic. Sounds exciting, right? They are even claiming it is not just another streaming site, but a movement to empower creators and eventually reach 1 billion subscribers. Because apparently, the world definitely needs another movement that involves a monthly subscription fee. But here's the real question. Is Vidme.io actually legit, or is it just another MLM trap dressed up in fancy code? Let us break it down together. Our first big concern is transparency, or the complete lack thereof. On their official website, Vidme does not share a single detail about who actually owns or runs the place. When we check the domain records, Vidme.io was privately registered in April 2025, which is quite impressive considering they are apparently operating from the future. Digging a bit deeper, we found connections to Mike Popovich, a longtime Amway promoter, and Chris Miller. Naturally, Vidme has not openly admitted to this, because nothing says trustworthy business like hiding your founders' names in a digital basement. That brings us to the second concern, Popovich's MLM history. Mike and Barb Popovich are well known in the Amway Worldwide Dream Builders circle, having reached diamond status way back in 2001. More recently, Mike was pushing another affiliate platform called Social Goats, which did exactly what you would expect. It collapsed and vanished into thin air. If his last venture failed faster than a New Year's resolution, can we really expect Vidme to survive the long haul? It seems some people just love the smell of a collapsing downline in the morning. The third concern is the total lack of actual retail products. Vidme does not actually sell anything to outside customers. The only thing on the menu is a $34.99 monthly promoter membership. That fee gives you access to their video platform, and while some content is free, there is no real separation between a normal subscriber and a promoter. Basically, everyone who pays is considered a recruiter. It is the classic setup of a pyramid scheme, just with better video resolution and slightly more buffering. The compensation plan is where things get even more telling. General affiliates earn 20% on the people they personally recruit, while qualified affiliates earn 12% on second-level recruits. There is even a 25% matching bonus, but only if you recruit and maintain 10 promoters. Do you see the pattern here? It is all about the recruitment hustle. There is zero commission from actual retail sales, which makes this look less like a media company and more like a digital game of find the next sucker. Finally, we have to talk about the sustainability of the platform itself. Even if Vidme separated retail customers from promoters, $35 a month is a steep price compared to Netflix, Disney Plus, or even YouTube Premium. Running a video platform is incredibly expensive, and with only 29 user channels listed so far, the scale just does not look promising. History shows us that other MLM video platforms have popped up before, and most of them collapsed under their own weight. So, is Vidme.io legit? Honestly, while the platform might offer decent streaming quality, the MLM structure behind it is about as stable as a house of cards in a hurricane. There are no real retail customers, commissions rely heavily on recruitment, and the founders' track records are filled with red flags. Most people who join platforms like this usually end up losing money once the recruitment well runs dry. My advice is to think very carefully before you hand over your cash. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe for more honest reviews that will not cost you $35 a month.